Hey everyone, I'm going to try to pick the smallest lock in my collection, and it has to be this ABUS phone dial lock. It's a 3-pin lock, and it's not that easy because it has spools in it. It's very tiny, and counter rotation is weird. I have to manually counter rotate a little bit sometimes. Well, let's see how picking goes this time. One thing to note is that the key, the lock opens counterclockwise. I'm going to go top of the keyway tensioning and this medium-ish hook. Pin in the back is binding, little falset, bigger falset, one is binding, and yeah, now I'm going to need to counter rotate a little bit manually. There we go. Reset some pin in the back. Now I think only pin 2 is binding. If I just push the pin, it will counter rotate a little bit, but not enough, so I have to go manually again. Until I feel it set. There we go, and the little lock is open. So, not as easy as it looks, but it's picked. And it's fun, it's cute, I like it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.